For this math review, we're going to start with word problems. So the first thing with the word problem, you need to read it 1, maybe 2 or 3 times to understand it. So Amy has 49,081 friends on Facebook. Her brother has 80,590. How many people love them? So you need to think, am I adding or subtracting? If it says how many, or in all, in total, all, together, you are adding. Make sure you're going to do this math along with me. So take out your pencil and paper and start writing. So it says how many people love them. So that means I'm going to add. I'm going to now underline my numbers that I'm going to add. $49,081 plus 80,590. 1 plus 0 is 1. 8 plus 9. Now, if you don't know how to do this, I hope you will draw circles. You'll draw 8 circles plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 circles. And now count all your circles. That gives you 17 circles. So I put my 7 here, and I put a 1 up here, and I make sure to remember 1 plus 5. I make sure to count that. 9 plus 0 is 9, and 4 plus 8. Again, if you don't know how to do this, draw circles. 4 plus 8 is 12. So, if I were to answer this in a sentence, I would say 129,671 people love them. I'll let you write that down. Maybe you want to take this opportunity to write this in words. And it doesn't matter the wording as long as I can tell what you mean. Spelling doesn't matter either. I'm going to go ahead and erase that. Next, what if I said how many more people like Amy's brother on Facebook than are friends with Amy? Or how many more friends does her brother have? I always take the bigger number minus the smaller number. So if you see something like how many more than, it's a pretty much for sure that it's subtraction. So I take my bigger number, 80,590, minus my smaller number, 49,081. Now the first thing I do is I say 0 minus 1. I can't do that because 0 is smaller than 1. So I cross off the 9. 9 minus 1 is 8. And I put a 1 in front here. So this becomes 10. This is stuff that they've learned way back in grade 2 or 3. So this is stuff we've been practicing in class, don't worry. 10 minus 1 is 9. 8 minus 8, 0. 5 minus 0, 5. 0 minus 9. I hope everybody saw this right away. I need to borrow from here. 8 minus 1 is 7. And I put a 1 here. This becomes 10. Now 10 minus 9, I can do it, equals 1. 7 minus 4 equals 3. The way I could say this in a sentence is that 31,509 people, more people, are friends with Amy's brother than are friends with her. Now, just to show this example again, I'm just going to change the numbers. Now, Amy has 39,092 friends on Facebook. Her brother has 84,690. How many people love them? I could have said how many people love them in total or in all or all together. So we know we're adding. I underline my numbers and I add 39,092 plus 84,690. 2 plus 0 is 2. 9 plus 9, you're going to draw nine circles plus 9 circles equals 18. I put my 8 here. I put my 1 here. Take the time to draw these circles if you're not 100% sure, because that could be the difference between a couple of marks on the test, which could be the difference between a pass and a fail. 1 plus 6 is 7. 9 plus 4 is 13. I draw my 3 here. Bring my 1 up here. I have to remember to add this 1. 1 plus 3 is 4, plus 8 is 12. In a sentence, 782 people are friends with Amy and her brother, or 123,782 people love them. Same thing if I said, how many more friends does her brother have? Always take your bigger number minus your smaller number. Uh-oh, this one looks a little bit tricky. I can see already 3 places I'm going to need to borrow. So 0 minus 2, can't do it. 9 minus 1 is 8. I bring a 1 in front. 10 minus 2 is 8. Uh-oh, 8 minus 9, still can't do that. I need to borrow again. 6 becomes 1 less, which is 5, and I bring a 1 in front of the 8. Becomes 18. If you are somebody who doesn't know right away that 18 minus 9 is 9, you need to draw 1, 2, 3, 4, 18 circles. Then you need to cross off 9. Actually, I'm going to just do it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. I've got 18 circles now. I need to cross off 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And I count how many circles I have left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 5 minus 0 is 5. 4 minus 9, we have to borrow again. 8 becomes 7. 4 becomes 14. 14 minus 9 is 5. 7 minus 3 is 4. And the way I say this in a sentence is 45,598 more people are friends with Amy's brother than are friends with her on Facebook. And any way you want to say that, if it makes sense, it's going to be right.